Hey, my amazing learners! Welcome back to Step by Step with Queen Sanaz. Today, we have reached lesson 20 of the 504 essential words. Can you believe it? You're doing fantastic! Let's unlock 12 new powerful words that will take your English to the next level. Grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's shine together, step by step. Let's dive in.
Vocabulary. Lesson 20. One. Devour, consume, gobble, inhale, nibble, abstain. He devoured the entire novel in one night. 2. Emerge, appear, surface, come out, disappear, vanish. The sun emerged from behind the clouds. 3. Captive, prisoner, hostage, detain, free, liberator. The captive was finally released after negotiations. 4. Ambush, trap, surprise attack, ambuscade, defense, protection. The soldiers were caught in a deadly ambush. 5. Fragile, delicate, breakable, brittle, strong, durable. Please handle the package with care. It's very fragile. 6. Linger, stay, loiter, remain, leave, vanish. The scent of her perfume lingered in the room. 7. Prosper, thrive, flourish, succeed, fail, decline. With hard work and dedication, she prospered in her career. 8. Perish, die, expire, pass away, survive, leave. Many plants perished during the drought. 9. Crafty, cunning, sly, clever, honest, naive. He used a crafty strategy to win the game. Ten. Vigor, energy, strength, vitality, weakness, fatigue. She tackled the project with great vigor. 11. Defiant, rebellious, disobedient, bold, obedient, complaint. The child gave a defiant look to his teacher. 12. Jagged, rough, uneven, rugged, smooth, flat. The climber slipped on the jagged rocks.
Thanks for watching, my amazing learners. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I love hearing from you, and of course, subscribe for more videos with me, Queen Sanaz. See you in the next one.